has done routinely organic acid testing. There's a lot to know about this test. My goal is by the end of the day that you're going to walk away with some action steps that you can implement pretty quickly in your practice to start running this test, to understand where it can be applied clinically, how to assess it quickly. My recommendation to you is that even though some of the things I may talk about clinically may not be things that you necessarily deal with in your practice, what I hope to do is have you think about patients in your practice where this information might be applied.